Story time.
Okay, so we're watching TV and he's sitting on the couch over there and I'm over here. And suddenly he just goes, itching! Fucking 2 meters, it flies and hits him on the cheek. And he goes, get a fucking tissue.
I wonder if I got it on film.
I got it on.
Go man, go man.
Oh. I feel like that'd be a great item to buy at a gift shop or a beach place. If you could fashion such a shoe, you constantly make the same guy joke. Ah, I'm standing in my shoe again.
I want you here in my room. I want you here. Now we're gonna be face to face, and I'll lay right down in my favorite place. Now I wanna be your dog. And now I wanna be your dog. And now I wanna be your dog. Well, come on!
Sometimes the apple falls and attacks the tree. Someone put a fork in him, 'cause he's pasta.